This is new MC824H control unit. I have connected to Tuna 7 motor TO7024. Left one is motor 1 and this is motor 2. And suppose if you are facing a problem in position search, you need to do these settings. You must use OView for programming this control unit. Go to menu, control unit, standard parameters, close discharge, select it and increase the millisecond, 132 millisecond. OK, that is for motor 1. You move to motor 2 and put 132 to motor 2 also, and back and do the program again. Menu, control unit function, installation, motor type is already Tuna, and position search. Now the motors are working. It will complete the position search. If you are facing blue bus photocell issue with the new MC824HR10, you must use EPM photocell, the relay type photocell, this type photocell. In this type photocell, the first number 1 of transmitter and receiver is positive. Positive we will connect on the stop SBS. In the SBS, this terminal, in the SBS right terminal. Okay. And negative is the second terminal of transmitter and second terminal of receiver. That is blue cable we connected on the stop terminal, left position. So in between these two terminal you will get around 30 volt, 24 volt. Okay. And the relay contact, this is common, that is orange white, and black white is the normally closed, means 4 and 5 terminals we are connected on the stop terminal of MC824H R10. And after that, connect OView, go to menu, control unit function, advanced parameters, input configuration. Input 1 is SBS, input 2 is open, input 3 is close. So we will go to input 3. Input 3 will be close. This is in the initial position, it will be close. Okay, so we will go to input 3 and we will change to photo. So that terminal, the closed terminal, we changed to photocell terminal. So we select photo. Okay. And now I am giving a command, opening command. It is opening, stop, and closing command. And in between them, I stopped it. The motor stopped and reversing. So it is, the photocell is working fine.